All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Sorry for the delay this morning. I was looking for the logo or the actual thumbnail that I usually do for the Morning Note, and I couldn't find it. So I was like running out of time. So I just put our logo, G.A.R Capital, as it for now. If I can find it, I'll change it. I have to look for it in my computer where it says Morning Note and the whole thing, the little logo. Either way. Before we begin, bottom right-hand corner of your screen, click on that, turn on notifications, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment your questions. Really do appreciate it as always. Happy Monday, November 15th, 2021. Let's talk about the markets. Dow futures are up 141 points, NASDAQ up 68, S&P up 17, and the Russell up 14. 10-year Treasury yield is down to 1.577. The dollar is slightly down, 95.07. VIX is actually green, 2.46% to the upside at 1669. Crude oil is down 1.36%, below $80 a barrel. Gold futures are down as well, 0.16% at $18.65 an ounce. 25.15 for silver futures, down about 0.75%. Euro dollar flat, 114.45. 113.91 down 1 pip for dollar yen. Not much going on. Ethereum futures 47.22 and Bitcoin futures at 65.5. That's where we are currently in terms of the market. Good morning, all. I hope you guys enjoyed the podcast yesterday. I believe it was Saturday. Did the podcast at the YouTube simulcast. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was the Why We Are Still Bullish Part 3. If you haven't checked it out, by all means, please do. You guys would enjoy. It wasn't too long. I thought it was going to go like an hour. It was actually about half an hour, or like 25 minutes. So that's good news. All right, let's go and take a look at some pre-market movers this morning. For those who are holding the freebie, yes, we are long Qualcomm. Qualcomm market about $1.55 this morning. It's at 166.50. We're at 164.94. We have currently, which ones do I have? I can bring this up. I have the 170 calls for this week. That was the freebie. I have 11 contracts currently, and I am up right now about 5%. Feel free to take a look at that. 5%, 11 contracts. I entered right around 180, really a couple cents off. Not even a couple cents, fraction of a cent. So that's where we are. I'm holding that. I will let you guys know on Twitter and on Instagram when I close. So just to get a quick heads up, it does not expire until Friday. All right, let's take a look at some pre-market movers. Naked Brand is up 1.7%. Riot Blockchain up 5.91%. Excuse me. Sundial Growers, highest volume on the board this morning, down 0.40% this morning. On the Dow, Disney is up 0.17%. Boeing is up 3%. I own shares in that. Cisco's up, Visa's up, Apple's up, Microsoft's up. Johnson & Johnson is flat. Big one that's down in the Dow is Amgen, down 0.42%, with Merck down 0.30%. On the S&P, Tesla's down 1.88% as Elon Musk sold more shares. Ford is down 0.10%. Nvidia's up nearly 1% this morning. PayPal's up 1.78%. Facebook up 1% this morning. AT&T is up as well. AMD is up as well, 0.33%. Tesla, NOV or NOV Inc. and Realty Income is down this morning on the S&P. For the most part, everything is green. CrowdStrike is also down 3.80% this morning. So as we're getting closer to the as we're getting closer to Thanksgiving holiday, we expect volume to dry up a little bit. Not for this week, but that's where we're going in terms of that. So again, we're just watching a lot of things this morning. Obviously, Qualcomm being the big one. And let's see what we get. Good morning. Wheat stock this morning will go crazy. Yeah, again, we talked about that the legislation that the Republicans are initiating in Congress. Again, nothing has been passed federally. Again, we're just waiting to see what happens. Again, I still have THCX. Of course, I'm green on it. Cannabis stocks, I still own them. So I'm still long. Nothing has changed on my end. When they pass or if they pass, that's great. BA. Looking at it, needs to break 229.93 or 230 before we start taking a look at anything. Roblox I own as well. It is up pre-market as well. Let's see if we can get some volume on maybe some calls. But for the most part, my focus right now is really on Qualcomm because you guys all have it. So that's coming up soon. Our Black Friday deals will be coming next week. So yes, there will be a Black Friday deal on premium signals, future signals, and masterclass. So just a heads up. Is your WTI target this year still 100? It's not for this year. Just the target is 100. We're not going to have time to get to 100. But my target is that WTI will hit 100. Yes. I guess it can go higher in early months 2022. Yeah. Morning, Carlos. Any thoughts on Solana? I haven't really researched Solana, but my CFO, who's really big into crypto, he likes it. I've decided not to buy any more crypto in terms of new ones. I think I'm pretty stacked where I'm at, and I'm already looking to sell in the end of December my crypto portfolio or take some profits. So I'm not really looking to adding any more. If you guys want to see exactly what I have, here it is. Bitcoin, Ethereum, GRT, Tesla, Stellar, XRP, Shiba, Polygon, Luna, and Sushi. So I kind of just want to stick to as is. Again, nothing against Solana. I'm just not going to buy any more crypto. IDA SC price to add here before earnings. I would not add before earnings. I would just wait. But if you're looking at SC in general, probably taking a look right here around 300 if you're looking to buy. FB today, yep, I have an alert on Facebook right at 345. Let's see if we break it. Tesla and Amazon. Tesla, we just got to see what happens. They are down pre-market. 900 is support. It could be going down there pretty quickly, again, with all that shares sold. Amazon, it needs to break 35.54, but it's an expensive one, so I'd hold back. NVIDIA to add before earnings. No, I would wait for the earnings report. I wouldn't touch it. IWM thoughts. I do have some IWM calls for some unusual options activity for this week. It is the 245s. So again, we can start retaking all-time highs if we break above. So far, we're looking solid. When are we adding more Disney? I do own Disney, but again, I'm waiting for this level of 157.47. Once that breaks, I will be adding more. Is Lemonade a buy here? I haven't researched Lemonade. I do know that they are an insurance company. If you want to get in, that's up to you. I'm not going to own it. On the daily, you're looking at 58.83 is your support. So if you're looking to buy, that's your level. Good morning, doing part 2 of the podcast for the headwinds. Again, I need the commentary on the YouTube. I need feedback. One person isn't enough. We need to make sure that this is something that you guys actually like in terms of the podcast. The last thing I want to do is really waste my time on this stuff. I have so much other things to do. So again, if you guys like the pod and you guys like the YouTube simulcast, you need to let us know, whether it's DMs, whether it's I'll put on a survey, or here on YouTube, just put a little comment there, and that'd be very helpful. Again, guys, I've done podcasts before where no one will listen to. I've done videos before no one will listen to, and I'm like, okay, it's pointless. I'm not going to waste my time either, because I could just give that to my clients and be all good. But either way, if you guys are still interested, let us know. Let's look at CrowdStrike, CrowdStrike is down pre-market. You can see here, it's at 274 from 284. 263 would be a decent level if you want to buy some more. I think 263 is the target you're looking for. Apple this week. Apple last 2 weeks has been absolutely mean to me. Has just been absolutely going back and forth. It's at 150. If it breaks 152.50, maybe we'll talk. But the last 2 weeks, Apple price action has been shit. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. Have a great rest of your day. It's a chilly one here in Central Florida. G.A.R Capital is the website. Be on the lookout for the Black Friday deals. They are coming, so we'll remind you as well. Have a great rest of your day. GARcapitalfx.com. If you missed the last podcast, it's on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Anchor, or you can watch it here on YouTube. It's a video that we posted up. It was a simulcast. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.